Hi, my name is Abby Organic. Let's talk about aquaponics. What is aquaponics? It's a combination of two farming methods called aquaculture and hydroponics. Aquaculture is the raising of aquatic animals for food. This method is not always successful because fish excrete waste like ammonia. The water used in aquaculture must be constantly filtered and cleaned or replaced. Otherwise, the water will grow too polluted and the fish will die. Hydroponics is the soilless growing of plants in water. This method can grow expensive as the nutrients usually provided by soil must be added into the water by means of a fertilizer, usually inorganic and manufactured. Aquaponics combines these two methods, their problems canceling each other out and producing both green and protein crops. The toxic ammonia excreted by the fish is converted into nitrate, an essential nutrient used by the plants, removing the possibility of poisoning the fish and eliminating the need for plant fertilizer. This is possible thanks to the nitrogen cycle. When fish are introduced into an aquaponic system, they begin excreting ammonia. Naturally occurring bacteria called nitrosomonas begins to grow, feeding off the ammonia and converting it into nitrite. As nitrite concentrations increase, conditions are proper for another bacteria called nitrobacter to grow. Nitrobacter converts the nitrite into nitrate, which is then usable by the plants. For all this to happen, you needed a controlled environment, such as a greenhouse, a fish tank, a biofilter for bacteria to grow beds for the plants, pumps to move water, and blowers that add oxygen to the system. Although an aquaponics system may sound expensive to set up, it has numerous advantages. For instance, because it uses a controlled environment, it can be used anywhere, year-round to produce a variety of crops and fish. By contrast, in conventional agriculture, climate and local environment dictate what kinds of plants and animals a farmer can raise. Aquaponics also requires less space and feed to be successful than conventional agriculture. For example, it takes 1.7 pounds of feed to produce 1 pound of fish in an aquaponic system, whereas it takes 2.4 pounds to produce 1 pound of chicken and 9 pounds to produce 1 pound of beef. One grass-fed beef cattle needs at least 1 acre for grazing. Considering the 1.5 years it takes for a beef cow to mature, this equates to 0.011 pounds of beef per feet squared per year. Aquaponics produces nearly 2,000 times that amount of protein at 20 pounds of fish per feet squared per year. Similarly, a study in Arizona showed that water-based agriculture produces 10 times the mass of lettuce than conventional methods, while using 1/10 the water. However, the same study showed that water-based agriculture uses 100 times the energy of conventional methods. But this is due to the controlled environment. Heating, cooling, lighting, and circulation pumps all require energy, and unfortunately this adds up in both joules and dollars. Nonetheless, the benefits certainly outweigh the cost and the capital. All things considered, as the field of aquaponics evolves by the improving applications of horticulture, aquaculture, microbiology, chemistry, and engineering, so does its potential for business and the ability to sustainably supply food worldwide.